Thanksgiving is the holiday of gratitude. It's a time to reflect what we have to be thankful for and who we have to be thankful for. Sometimes, however, the very people we owe the most are not with us anymore. But we can bring them a little closer by looking at pictures of them, finding them in old photo albums and in old video recordings. Here at the UniConverter, we dedicate this video to these loved ones and invite you to participate in our Thanksgiving campaign, during which you can win great prizes such as a gift of $300 and 1-year UniConverter licenses. Before, however, I'll get into explaining the campaign itself and how you can participate, I will help you with one of the tasks that you need to do to be involved, and this task is enhancing old family photos. So let's get into it. We're going to use the UniConverter 17 that has upgraded AI Image Enhancement features, so before all, be sure to download it or upgrade your current version. You can download it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. When you have it, just follow these steps. Open the AI Image Enhancement tool. It's featured on the hot page of the UniConverter, or you can also find it within the Image Tools section. Then import the photos you'd like to enhance. With the AI Image Enhancer, you can enhance up to 20 images in a batch in these formats, and this can just speed up the process when you have many to get through. As you can see here, I imported scratchy, old, low quality and black and white photos that, with the help of the AI Image Enhancer, I'll turn into colorful, high quality images. So the very first step is removing the scratches. On the right side, there are the image enhancing functions. We'll begin with the advanced repair model of the old photo restoration function. Click on it. Before you actually initiate the enhancement process, you can click on the preview button here to see what the final image will look like. So just choose an output folder now and then click on Export All. Alright, now we have scratches and other blemishes removed, and it also boosted the colors a tiny bit. So now, let's move on to colorizing these images. Now, the great thing is that you don't need to re-import the photos. Just easily click on the old photo Colorizer model under the image colorization function. Again, if you want, you have the option to see a preview. And then click on Export All. Perfect. Look how far we've already come. We went from scratchy black and white photos to perfect colorful ones. All we have left now is increasing the resolution of these photos for a more versatile usability. So this time, import the colorized images again into the tool, and then just click on the image upscaler function and choose an upscaling ratio. I'd say that if the original images weren't extra low in resolution, just go with 2 times or 4 times. In this case, I'll choose 2 times. And you guessed it, let's click on Export All for one last time. We're done! We enhanced these low-quality black and white photos and turned them into these stunning high-resolution colorful ones. Now, want to hear the good news? If you've followed the tutorial and enhanced your own images, you're almost ready to participate in the campaign. Here is what you'll need to do. Activity A. Use your enhanced images to create a short 15 to 30 second long video, a before-after video, showing the original versions of the photos and after you enhance them with the UniConverter. Then use the text-to-speech tool and the subtitle editor to add a warm greeting in multiple languages. You can check out our tutorial video about using that feature, and then once you're done with all this, post a video on social media using hashtag Thanksgiving UniConverter and tag our official account. Then activity B. Tell us what or who you're most thankful for this season. Leave a comment on this post on our Instagram account using hashtag Thanksgiving UniConverter to spread gratitude. Now about what you can win. If you participate in both activities, both in A and B, you'll qualify for the main prizes, which is a $300 gift for the first place, a $200 gift for the second place with 2 winners, and a 1-year UniConverter license for the third place with 3 lucky winners. And if you only want to participate in activity B, you still have the chance to win a 1-month UniConverter license, and we have 30 of those. Lastly, during our Thanksgiving campaign, we'll be also doing a Black Friday sale, so be sure to check out the discounts. For more information about the campaign, check the description below. But that was it for this video. I very much invite you to participate in this campaign. It's a lot of fun and you get to use this amazing tool. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up on the video to stay updated regarding the campaign and other future videos. But I'm gonna thank you for watching and I'm gonna see you in the next video.